Hi, it's Matt from Octane. I hope you're well. I'm just going to do a quick walk around video this morning of the latest VW transporter we're just about to present and put up for sale. This is the second time we've sold this Volkswagen. It's a T5.1. It's a 2015, and like I say, it's the second time we've sold it. We've just been lucky enough to buy it back from the previous owner again. We absolutely love this vehicle. It is absolutely loaded with specification, and what a quality van this is. 62,000 miles, 2015, 10 service stamps in the book, absolute fabulous service history, all the books, all the papers. It's presented in natural grey metallic with Burgundy Bentley Style diamond stitched heated leather seats. It's, like I say, it's just on 62,000 miles. It'll be freshly serviced before it goes out. The specification is huge. I'm going to break this video into two actually, and so we can try and capture all the spec this vehicle's got. The wheels have just been freshly refurbished, diamond turned. Stunning wheels, Bridgestone tyres all the way around, like new. Sidebars, pop top, curtains, tailgate. So much on this. It is absolutely loaded. Fabulous colour this. So I'm just going to run through some of the extras and specification before I break off and put the pop top up, and then you can have a look at it there. So it's got front and rear parking sensors, visibility pack with rain sense and automatic dimming rear view mirror, tow bar prep with socket, multifunction leather steering wheel with Gearknob and Gaiter, Climatic air conditioning in the cab, heated driver and passenger front seats which also swivel, so they're swivel captain's chairs, side and front airbags, Xenon headlights with LED daytime running lights and washers. There we go, they're fabulous. Absolutely, look at the paint on this, it's just absolutely beautiful. Front splitter, Sportline front and rear spoilers, lowering springs, black sidebars as you can see, upgraded Pioneer head unit, satellite navigation, caravel sliding rails to rear with sleep extender. It's got a pop-top roof bed, insulated, lined, carpeted. It just goes on and on and on. I'm only listing what I can remember. Darkened windows, as you can see. There's the caravel rails, there's the rear seats. LED lights ×4 all the way down. Just stunning condition. What a van this is. I absolutely adore this van. Like I say, it's the second time we've been fortunate enough to bring it into stock. Night heater, leisure battery, tailgate van, beautiful. Twin swivel captain's chairs to the front. Look at the carpets, absolutely stunning. Beautiful leather as well. Well, beautiful colour. It's just really complements the grey of the vehicle. As I say, tailgate van, reverse camera, carpeted throughout, all the electric hookups, even got the original first aid kit still in the pack. There's the bed, mattress and everything else that goes with it. Curtains to all windows, quality, absolute quality. Carpets all the way through. This has had thousands spent on it. It really has. Glass is lovely, curtains nice. Really presents beautifully as well. It's been so well cared for. Night heater controls to the front. Heated seats, Pioneer head unit, leather steering wheel, like new. 61,000 miles. Overmats, just beautiful. Diamond stitched kind of seats. And the pop-top goes up from there, which I'll break the video and put up in a moment. It's very difficult to encompass and capture all the spec on this. It's just that much on it, and it's just beautiful at the same time. Just going around to the driver's side. Look at the steering wheel, lovely. Cruise control, air conditioning, park distance, just really nice. This really nice. So I'm going to break the video here, all the stickers in all the right places. Folding mirrors, heated mirrors. I'm going to break the video here and put the pop top up and come right back.